Before going further, it is important to note the differences between IT and OT. As you know, IT refers to the use of technology to manage and process information, typically within an office or administrative setting. IT systems are designed to support business functions such as accounting, HR, customer relationship, etc. And examples are many, such as email systems, database, ERP, CRM, etc. So for these systems, as you might see here on the screen, they are not real-time and they can accept some delays when it comes to the network. You can reboot these systems, however, the data confidentiality is the focus of these systems. Fault tolerance is acceptable. The risk is mainly some delays in the operation. They use standard protocols. You have unlimited resources when it comes to drives, RAMs, CPUs, etc. Changing these systems, upgrading them, patching them is pretty straightforward, and the lifetime is 3 to 5 years. However, when it comes to the OT refers to the use of technology to manage and control physical processes in industrial and manufacturing setting. Critical environments depending on OT cannot afford to fail. So an operational outage of even a few seconds or milliseconds when public safety is at stake is not tolerable. So you might have guessed that these systems are real-time. No delays are accepted. You cannot reboot these systems. It is really challenging to change, patch, upgrade these systems. Fault tolerance is less acceptable than IT systems. However, the main risk here is not delays in operations. The main risk is human life loss, in addition to environmental and regulatory impact. Usually the lifetime of OT systems spans between 15 to 20 years. While the principles of CIA, or confidentiality, integrity, and availability, triad apply to both IT and OT systems, there are some differences between the two domains. Confidentiality in IT systems, it's often primary concern given the sensitivity of the information that is managed. For example, personal or financial data may be stored in IT systems, and protecting this information from unauthorized access is critical. However, in OT systems, confidentiality may be less of a concern since the primary goal is to control and monitor physical processes rather than protect sensitive information. Integrity in OT systems, the principle of integrity is of critical importance since the breach or error in the control system could result in physical harm, environmental damage, or financial loss. So ensuring the integrity of data and control commands is essential for maintaining safe and reliable industrial operations. When it comes to availability in both IT and OT systems, availability is important, but the consequences of a loss of availability can be different. In IT systems, a loss of availability may result in a temporary disruption of business operations. Meanwhile, in OT systems, a loss of availability could have serious consequences such as a shutdown of a chemical plant or a power grid, which could result in significant economic or social impact.